Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Do you still remember the two characters we learned before? One is xiao and the other is tu. Let's review them first. Xiao means something smaller in size, quantity, or strength than usual or than another object. It can also describe something less significant or less important. The basic meaning of tu is earth, the mixture of sand and soil on the ground. Sometimes it's also used to describe something old-fashioned or locally made. Today, the new character we're going to learn is made up of these two characters. Xiao is on top and tu is at the bottom, just like this. Its pronunciation is chen. Let's guess what this character means. What could very small earth be? Haha, you must have guessed it. Chen means dust, dirt, or tiny particles. Sometimes it's also used to describe the mundane or earthly world. For example, chen tu means dust or dirt on the ground. Sha chen means sand and dust, like what you see in a sandstorm. In these words, chen refers to dust, tiny particles like ashes or cinders. Hong chen means the mortal world, the world of human desires and emotions. Chen shi means the human world. It refers to the mortal world in Buddhist and Taoist concepts, the world of human life and attachment. Let's practice reading this character. Chen, chen, chen. Now let's learn how to write this character. Chen is a top and bottom structured character. At the top, we have xiao, and at the bottom, we have tu. When writing, the correct order is from top to bottom. You already know how to write xiao and tu, so writing chen should be easy. In the writing grid, write xiao in the upper part and tu right below it. Let's learn a fun cultural fact. In Taoist culture, there's a famous immortal named Lü Dongbing. He's one of the 8 immortals and also known as a god of wealth. He carries a magical tool called Fu Chen. It's usually made of animal hair or hemp and symbolizes the sweeping away of worries and dust. Even today, Taoist priests often carry Fu Chen during rituals, and some traditional martial arts styles even use it as a weapon. In ancient China, during the imperial dynasties, eunuchs also carried Fu Chen, not for spiritual practice, but simply to sweep dust and keep insects away. Funny, right? In this channel, I'll make learning Chinese characters more fun by adding interesting stories and examples. So join us, take it step by step, and you'll master more Chinese characters one by one.